Hello everyone, you're watching Age of Mobiles, and now I want to show you how to assemble the front panel of Nokia e90. So, as we see here, the protection foil on this part. Also, there is the glass. Sorry, let's get another one. For red and for mocha, they're similar. The glasses as well as this shield, as well as the keyboard. So, as well as also chrome. So now I'm going to remove protection foil. So it is. Now I'm going to put here chrome. Seems I'm a little bit wrong, as I should place the display glass. I'm really afraid to do it for the first time. Trying to find the right way. Right way to move. Is it? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Maybe another way is to try to do it this way. Or no, I was right. We can put it second. So actually it's my first time. So that's a way that is very good. I think that you can see how anyone can do mistakes and not repeat them. So we also want to check is this part, this shield. No, also. Oh, there, it's really obvious. So should hear clicks. Click, click, click. So it is. Now the time for the display glass. So it is, and now time for shield. So it is. Click, click. So my first time assembling the front cover of Nokia e90. I hope it will be helpful for you.